So I went to Rite Aid after work, after getting dinner at the German butcher shop, and I had to look around. What I really needed was nail brushes, but no, they didn't have any unless you bought a kit, and I didn't need all the things in the kit. So I was like, let me improvise and buy some cheap toothbrushes. And I'm like, maybe that'll do for when I need it. Like when I garden, I get this oil stuck in my nails, as short as they are. And I got this Sally Hansen Repair and Rescue Insta Smooth Ridge Filler to fix my nails, because Lord, do they need them. And I got, while we're doing nails, we'll do this. I've used this polish before back in the day. It looks prettier in person. It's from OPI, Infinite Shine 2, Long Wear Lacquer in shade Princess Rule. In real life, it's like a prettier pink and it has a little bit of shimmer in it. It's really pretty. Then I got this one from Sally Hansen, Insta Dry Luxe Finish in shade Sleekaboo, number 63. Sleekaboo. You can't read right now. And then last for the nails, I got this because I was like, maybe, I don't, it's probably going to come out really sheer. But it's like a white, sparkly polish, Insta Dry Luxe Finish in shade 61. Silk Is, which again, you can't read it, but I can. And then, don't mind my fingers, I used to use this from L'Oreal. It's their BB Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream in shade Light Clear. Sometimes instead of wearing foundation, I like to wear this with or without concealer. It has 4 beautifying actions in one: primes, corrects, hydrates, and perfects. And I used to like it. I think I might still like it. We'll find out. And then I got 2 primers, one from Revlon, the Photo Ready Prime Plus Perfecting and Smoothing Makeup and Skincare Primer, complex, infused with vitamin B, vitamin B5, and hyaluronic acid. And it comes with a little pump. I'm like, I'll try it. And I got this one from L'Oreal, which I haven't used yet either. It's their Prime Lab Advanced Derm Primer, up to 24-hour redness eraser with 4% niacinamide, covers redness, evens tone over time. And like I could see how that is. I'm wondering if it's like the one from Smashbox, perhaps. Then for my lips, I got this Rebels Refinery 100% natural lip balm in flavor Summer Citrus. Sounds delish. I might like it, I might not. And it's a cute little cactus. It's so cute. Transforming the ordinary into moments of joy. Vitamin E for essential oxidants, coconut oil for nutrient-rich moisture, beeswax to lock moisture in, hand-picked essential oils to soothe your lips. Okay. And then I remember I got this brand a while ago in a beauty subscription box, and I remember I liked the brow gel, but my hair, they didn't have the one that I wanted in the shade I wanted, and my hair right now is not as dark as it used to be. So I got the clear one from Arches and Halos, Tanya Crooks Professional Brow. It says water resistant firm hold brow gel, which is what I really want, regardless of the color. It is ophthalmologist tested, dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, vegan, cruelty free, and leaping bunny approved. I gotta find my cat Bunny and see if she's approving this. We'll find out later. Or I'll find out later. Then in this one, I got a colored one in a different style. It's the 24-hour smudge-proof 4-pronged microblading brow pen. I never did microblading before, but I figured I'd give it a whirl because I'm a material girl. Not really. And then it's in shade dark brown, 4 prongs for instantly natural hair-like strokes. But mine aren't very big, so I'm like, I'll just focus on the inner part, I guess, like this. I'll start from the in and work my way out carefully. But yeah, I thought I'd give these a whirl. And I spent a fortune. I was like, what did I buy? What did I buy at Rite Aid that cost $127 and something cents? What? Excuse you? Excuse you. What? I don't know. I can't believe it either.